the UK. We're from one of the largest universities in the Midlands, Coventry.
I'm from GV Multimedia.
I'm from the University of Wales, Trinity St David.
Been lucky enough to come across to Amsterdam the last 4 or 5 years. We've watched things evolve, and we've actually can see where perhaps new solutions or age-old problems are coming through them.
To visit the show is to become aware of what else is out here and see what SY have got that's new and exciting.
Just to keep abreast of new technologies, the SY video over IP products, things like that.
To find new and exciting products, to find new and exciting things to sell to our clients.
Just to have a look at other products really and what's out in the marketplace.
We've been working with SY now for must be 6 years. 6 years. So we've got a lot of experience with the SY products.
We use a bit of transmitters and receivers. We use a lot of your switches, a lot of your control panels, your 6-point control panels, lots of those.
We use quite a number of SY products. We've literally got hundreds and hundreds of them dotted across our campus. I've just been talking to one of your colleagues about input plates, control panels and the like.
I've made use of your products, especially your HD-based T sender receiver pairs.
I've liked SY from the day I was first introduced to the company. We've been buying SY products now, I think, for probably 5 or 6 years.
The simplicity of the keypads. We tend to do residential and schools, and they work really well. And also the switches and scalers are good.
They just work. They are well-made, good products. From an integration point of view, the easier they are to use, the better.
Honestly, the 4RS232s on the back's really handy. IR as well, and the price.
To be quite honest, I've always just bought exactly the same product because the first one we had was so reliable and bulletproof. I've just kept with that as the sort of standard, and they've always just worked.